Imagine a place where innovation, industry, and inspiration intersect, a place imbued with meaning, with every last detail designed to improve quality of life. Such a place may not exist yet, but it should, and it will. Introducing the Menorah Islands Project. The Menorah Islands Project would enhance the Middle East region through education, innovation, and cooperation. Emphasis on creating and delivering the world's best is paramount. The commitment to live and work together would set the stage for a more peaceful Middle East. On the Menorah Islands, those of all faiths could live side by side, sharing a mission and a vision to encourage progress and cooperation in the region. This group of 7 permanent islands and 2 islands emerging from the water would be built in the shape of a menorah. The group of islands would consist of 7 branches, each with an island at the end. These islands would each have a central tower, which houses a center of study for a particular scientific discipline. Each tower would be surrounded by a large open plaza where people could meet and share ideas. The islands would have areas for people to work, play, and live. The project would attract thousands of visitors to tourist areas. Each island would be divided into sections in order to maximize the quality of life for residents and workers. There would be a variety of housing types, innovative mixed-use developments, retail, business, manufacturing and medical facilities, government buildings and public works, parks and recreation centers. All of these buildings and areas would connect to cable-free, high-speed networks for internet, TV, and more. The main trunk of the Menorah Islands would serve as the express access route for cars and high-speed rail. The main road would connect all the islands. The islands would also be served by a public transportation system along each Menorah branch. Bridges connect all the branches for ease of access to the islands. Ports would allow for a ferry system and for commercial ships. The Menorah Islands would aim to give back to its surroundings with a broad array of environmentally friendly features. Wind walls, solar panels, atmospheric water generators, tidal energy, and geothermal energy are just a few of the ways that renewable energy sources could be employed on the island. Advanced agricultural techniques would be applied in the designated agricultural areas of the islands. The biodiversity of the islands would be used to its full potential. Growing methods such as hydroponic produce could be implemented. Each island would house a multi-denominational chapel where members of all faiths can worship. Each island would host a different scientific school or research lab. Each campus, 7 in total, would concentrate on a particular field of scientific study. Parks and recreation are at the heart of leisure in the Menorah Islands. Coastline for beaches, space for parks, and a public amphitheater are only few of the many options for entertainment on the island. The group of islands would be flanked by an additional submersible island on each side. These 2 fully submersible islands would emerge from the sea at certain set times of the year. The submersible islands would be venues for the study of marine sciences. The next step in this epic journey is to conduct a thorough feasibility study to determine the economic and environmental impact of this undertaking, determine what the actual operating costs will be, and learn what happens next. We invite you to be part of the Menorah Islands Project, to be part of something wonderful, to be part of the future.